Hello, good morning everyone. Are the voice and screen clear? Yes, good morning. Good morning, all okay? Fine. Now all of you are trained. You immediately replying, all okay. Let everyone join. Okay. So what was the last point? Let us revise that thing, okay? Let us first revise that last point. Hmm? Just give me a second. Fine. Let us revise few formulae. Let us revise few formulae. First formula is electric field due to a point charge q at distance equal to r. At distance equal to r, what is the value of electric field? Numerical value is equal to k into q upon r square. You may write it as k can be replaced by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. If there is medium, write epsilon. If there is vacuum, write epsilon 0. Q upon r square. If this charge is positive, electric field will be away from the positive. If this charge is negative, it will be towards the given charge. Let us assume that it is positive. Fine. This is the formula for electric field due to the point charge. Okay, sir. Next formula. Electric field at the center of the ring. Symmetrical object, symmetry exists. Let the ring be positively charged or negatively charged, doesn't matter. Net field at the center because of the symmetry. If the symmetry exists around a given point, then the net electric field at that point must be equal to 0. Third formula is electric field intensity due to the half ring, charge on the half ring, not on the complete ring. Charge on the half ring is q. Here the charge on complete ring is q. Here the charge on half ring is q. Okay, at this point, okay, center of the semicircle, this is positive, so electric field will be away. Numerical value will be what? Direction we decide separately. Numerical value we decide separately. K into 2 lambda upon r. K into 2 lambda upon r. What is lambda? Sir, lambda is charge per unit length. Total charge is q. Length of the half ring semicircle is pi r. Complete circle 2 pi r. Half circle pi r. It is called as charge per unit length. It is called as charge per unit length. One more formula that we learned. Electric field on the axis of the ring. Electric field at a point, and the point is on the axis of the ring. The point is on the axis of the ring. Let us draw the axis of the ring. At this point, you also write down this once again. Okay. Let's say the ring is positively charged. If the ring is positively charged, electric field will be away from the system, away from your system. This is our system. It will be away. If this ring is negatively charged, electric field will be towards, obviously. What is the formula there? Formula is what? Formula is, sir, k into q cos theta, kq cos theta. Only this cos theta term is additional upon r square. But sir, I might get confused between the small r and capital R. So I will be calling the radius as small a. I will be calling the radius as small a, and this slant distance I will be calling as small r, and the distance on the axis is always to be called as x. Some people call it as z, but we will be calling it as x. Distance on the axis x. What are the replacements, guys? This is the theta. It's a constant value. It's not going to change. So cos theta replacement that you already know. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, x upon r. But sir, in the exam, generally we are given the radius and the axis. So we are not given the value of r. X is given, r is not given, cos theta is not given. Cos theta replacement is x upon r. But sir, r is not given. R replacement is very simple, Pythagoras. R replacement is Pythagoras, under root a square plus x square. A square plus x square. Sir, here we want r square replacement also. Cos theta replacement is here, r replacement is here. So here we want r square replacement as well. Yes. What is r square replacement? Sir, r square replacement will be what? Again, a square plus x square. A square plus x square. Reply me in the chat box. Clear and written. Yesterday's lecture revised completely. 4 formulae. Everyone, write it down again. Write it down again. Good. Okay, sir. Of course, we can replace this k whenever required as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon or 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Fine. Next. Now, electric field due to the charge ring on the axis, the formula we have. This formula, now we are continuing with the same point. Okay, we are going to continue with the same point. Electric field at a point on the axis of the ring. The formula we already have. Okay. Now what happens is this. Sir, you gave us the replacements. Now the formula of electric field will become something like this. K as it is, capital Q as it is. The formula that we are going to remember is this. The formula that we are going to remember is this, and the corresponding replacements we are going to remember. But if we modify, what can happen? You just observe. I would like to replace this cos theta. Let us replace that. What happens if I replace cos theta by x upon r? Adjacent upon hypotenuse kq cos theta upon slant distance square r square. Okay, that gives me k into q into x divided by this r, and this r square will become r cube. Yes, sir. So k q x upon r cube. Okay, another formula. Okay, we won't be remembering that, but we can derive that as per the need, just by replacing the cos theta. Fine, let us continue. K q x upon, sir, this is r cube. Okay, but sir, r is under root a square plus x square. Okay, both the replacements we have to do. Cos theta and r, both the replacements we have to do. Now we are doing the r replacement. R is under root a square plus x square, where x is what? X is distance of given point from the center of the ring. That is a distance on the axis. Distance of given point from the center of the ring. Okay, so now you have written the value of r as under root a square plus x square. Sir, r cube. Okay, k q x upon, sir, square root means raised to 1 by 2. Square root means raised to 1 by 2. Okay, a square plus x square raised to 1 by 2. But sir, already there is cube. Okay, already there is cube. Fine. Sir, index of index. Sir, index of index is multiplication of index. Okay. K q x upon a square plus x square. Index of index is multiplication of index. 1/2 into 3 is 3 by 2. 1/2 into 3 is 3 by 2. That will be the final form of the equation. That will be the final form of the equation. Write it down and reply me in the chat box, everyone, clear and written. Just replace cos theta and r. Replacements, yesterday we have seen what are the replacement of cos theta and r. We just put those replacement and we derive some another form of the same equation. Okay, if you want you can remember this form also, but I will recommend you to remember this and the replacement for cos theta and r. बोला बाळांनो? Good. Write it down. Now you people tell me, x equal to 0 means center of the ring, yes or no? X equal to 0 means center of the ring, yes or no? Tell me. If this x is equal to 0, this point will come here. Everyone reply. X is equal to 0, then the point is center of the ring, yes, no? If x is equal to 0, then the point is center of the ring. Expecting reply from everyone, yes or no? Simply y or n. Good. X equal to 0, distance on the axis is equal to 0, means this point will come here at the center of the ring. What is the electric field at the center of the ring? If the ring is uniformly charged, electric field at the center of the ring must be equal to 0. Let's see. If, or let us write, at center of ring, okay, at center of ring, distance on the axis means x equal to 0. If this point comes here at the center of the ring, then x is equal to what? That distance will be equal to 0. Therefore, electric field will be what? At center. Sir, k as it is, q as it is, x is equal to 0 divided by a means radius of the ring. X is 0. A square plus 0 square raised to 3 by 2. Sir, denominator is going to be some number, forget about it. But sir, numerator is 0. So 0 upon and into anything is 0. Agree, disagree? Same result. Electric field at the center of the ring should be equal to 0. And this formula is also saying that yes, it is 0. Check करा बाळांनो, समजलं का? Good. Write it down. Fine. Now, if the distance x, we made it small as possible, we made it equal to 0. Now, if distance x is equal to infinity, very large, infinity or very large compared to the radius of the ring, means this is our ring, having very small radius, and the point is located at very large distance. Your ring is very, very small. The ring is very, very small. A charged ring is very, very small. And we are at very large distance. From the ring. Then think. You should think. Can I call it as a point charge? It is at very, very large distance. Sun is at very, very large distance from the earth. So it is a point mass. Earth is at very, very large distance from the sun. So to apply Newton's law of gravitation, sun and earth can be taken as point masses. So that ring is very, very large. That ring is at very, very large distance from me, from this point. It means that radius of the ring is very, very small compared to the distance x. So it is as good as a point charge. Agree, disagree? On this thought, agree, disagree? If a particular charge system is at very, very large distance, then that charge system should be taken as a point charge. You think on this first. If something is at very, very large distance, then it is as good as a point charge. Then it is as good as a point charge. If you are at the top of the mountain, and if you look the small houses which are at the bottom of the mountain, they are as good as a point masses. The people are as good as ants. Right? Can be taken as a negligible. Yes. So radius of the ring, if it is negligible compared with the x, that is, it is very, very small compared with the x, or you are at very, very large distance from the ring, then the ring is as good as a point charge. Okay. Now you will realize the beauty of this equation. Okay. At very, very large distance, write down. At very, very large distance means x is very, very large compared to the radius of the ring. Write down. Ring is as good as a point charge. Ring is as good as a point charge. Okay, sir, fine. Now the electric field will be equal to what? Same formula, sir. K into Q into x, whatever x is there, but that is very large value compared with a. Okay, sir. But sir, a square plus x square, x is very, very large than a. So can I say a square plus x square is approximately x square only? Because a square plus x square means, let's say 4 plus 20,000 is 20,000. 4 plus 20,000 is approximately 20,000. Very large value is here, very small value is here. So just neglect that small value. The large value itself is going to be the answer. Okay, this kind of approximations we have already did in the gravitation chapter. Okay, sir. So this a square will be negligible compared with the x square because x is very, very large. So write here x square. Okay, sir. Raised to 3 by 2. Raised to 3 by 2. Fine. Next. So what is the formula now? Here I wrote because. Therefore, electric field is equal to this kqx as it is. Kqx as it is divided by this x square raised to 3 by 2. Sir, index of index is multiplication of index. 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. 2 will cancel out with 2. X cube will remain in the denominator. X cube will remain in the denominator. And the formula is k into q upon x cube is x square. X upon x cube is x square. This is the formula of electric field intensity due to the point charge. Yes or no? Agree, disagree? Ring is as good as a point charge. So that is the formula of point charge. Bola bola. Can we solve this by limits as x tends to infinity? Yes, you can solve that by limit x tends to infinity and put the value of x as infinity. If you put x value as infinity, then infinity upon infinity, you have to cancel out those x, means x upon x cube. Here the answer is going to be, here limit x tends to infinity means x upon x cube, and that has to be equal to 1 upon x square. Okay. So विनाकारण limit ची concept आणू नकोस. Not required. You can do that, but not required. We can take the finite value of x, but that finite value is very, very large compared with the e. That's it. That is enough. That is enough. Okay, that is enough. Now here you may say, if x is tending to infinity, then you are at very large distance from the given point charge, then definitely electric field will be equal to 0. at very large distance from the ring, the electric field is definitely going to be equal to 0, certainly. Because as x increases, electric field should go on decreasing. As x increases, electric field should go on decreasing, and at infinity it is equal to 0. That is certainly right, no doubt. No doubt. Write down this also. Just give me a second. Ultimately 0, yes. At x equal to 0, you should definitely get answer to be equal to 0, because you are at very large distance from the given point charge. So that given point charge will not have any effect at that large distance. So that answer will be equal to 0. Fine. So let us try to draw the graph corresponding to the equation of the electric field intensity due to the ring. Okay, electric field intensity due to the ring. Or let us write the system first. If the system is point charge q and electric field E at distance equal to r, if we are trying to plot the electric field intensity at distance equal to r, the formula is k into q upon r square. So if you draw the graph, draw along with me. If you draw the graph of electric field versus the distance, numerical value of electric field versus the distance, you will observe that electric field is proportional to 1 upon r square. Means if the distance increases, electric field decreases. If the distance increases, electric field decreases. Draw graph like this. If r increases, electric field decreases. A simple thought. Reply me in the chat box. Is this point clear to all of you? Graph. First graph we plotted for the equation of electric field due to the point charge. If the system is point charge at distance equal to r, what is the electric field? Kq upon r square, its graph. Write it down. Check whether the first graph is clear to you or not. These graphs are asked in the exam. Bola. Electric field proportional to r square. Point charge. Electric field due to the point charge at distance r. Everyone? If r increases, electric field goes on decreasing. Simple thought. Inverse relation, 1 upon r square. Is that clear? Everyone? A simple thought. Good, very good. Fine. Now let us try to draw the graph for this equation. Now we do not have a point charge. Now we have a ring. Okay. Now we have a ring. All right. Or let me draw it here. Now we have a ring. This is the distance on the axis x. At any given point on the axis, we have to plot the electric field. Okay. Let us plot. At x equal to 0, what is the electric field? Sir, x equal to 0 means center of the ring. X equal to 0 means center of the ring. At the center, electric field is 0. Okay. So at x equal to infinity, at very large distance, if x goes on increasing, the ring becomes point charge. Okay. For large values of x, let's say after this value, the values of x are very large than a. After this value of x, values of x are very large than a. It means ring is as good as a point charge. So point charge wala graph will be there. Okay. Point charge wala graph will be there. Okay. So at infinity, x is going to be at x equal to infinity, the field should go to 0. Yes, it is going to 0. It is decreasing, continuously decreasing, proportional to 1 upon x square or proportional to 1 upon r square. Okay. At the center, it is 0. For higher values of x, it is proportional to 1 upon x square or proportional to 1 upon r square. It is decreasing like a point charge. Okay. So guys, in this region, the electric field certainly be like this. Reply me in the chat box. Agree, disagree. Here it is 0. Again, it is going to be decreased. Then it should somehow increase now. Only then it will decrease after some point. Agree, disagree. Am I logical? Am I logical? बोला बड़ा Sir, it's getting more and more similar to acceleration due to gravity due to ring. You should complete the statement. Yes, entire gravitation chapter is being repeated. You will simply find that those of you who remember the chapter gravitation, they will find it similar, and those who do not remember, just try to understand it as a new chapter, and once you see the gravitation chapter back again, you will find that so it is exactly same. So दोघांनाही काही अडचण येणार नाही. Okay, let me read the chat box if there is any. Fine, let me repeat the graph. See, when the distance x is very large than the radius of the ring becomes as good as a point charge, and we know for the point charge electric field goes on decreasing with the distance. If the distance increases, electric field should go on decreasing proportional to 1 upon r square. This nature of graph. So if the distance x is very large, this ring is as good as a point charge, so it should go on decreasing. So I initially drawn the graph of electric field proportional to 1 upon x square. This is the value of x, distance on the axis. Sir, at the center of the ring electric field is 0. At the center of the ring electric field is 0. So this point I plotted. For large values of x, it is going to be proportional to 1 upon x square. So it is going to decrease. As x or r increases, electric field should decrease. R increase, electric field decrease. So same nature graph I have drawn here. So in this region, definitely electric field should go on increasing, and then it should start on decreasing. So I am predicting the nature of the graph, something like this. Okay, something like this. Now you may say, sir, electric field is maximum at some point. Yes, it is maximum at some point. At some particular value of distance on the axis, the electric field is maximum. What is that distance, sir? Now that becomes maxima minima problem. Now that becomes maxima minima problem. Video is blur. Okay, we'll wait. Yash is saying video is blur. Others, please reply. Is that okay? All clear? Okay. Yes, I think everything is okay because everyone else is replying. Just don't worry, I am recording everything. Fine. So let me repeat the point. Sir, at some particular value of x, that is distance on the axis, the electric field is, sir, maximum. Yes, it is maximum. It is maximum. Then, sir, what is the distance? Okay. Then, sir, what is the distance? Now that becomes the maxima minima problem. Yes, it becomes the maxima minima problem. How to solve the maxima minima problem? Derivative equal to 0. Which derivative equal to 0? Sir, derivative means slope. So slope equal to 0. Which slope equal to 0? Slope of electric field versus x is equal to 0. Okay, sir. Here draw the tangent. What is the slope of this tangent? So slope of this tangent 0. Fine. So find out the derivative of electric field with respect to x, dE by dx. Equate that derivative to 0. Derivative 0 means slope 0. Slope 0 means which point? This point. Because at this point slope is 0. Slope 0 means this point because at this point slope is equal to 0. Then what is this value of x? Yes, we can find out. How to do that? Let's do that. Fine. What is the formula of electric field? Sir, the formula of electric field in the language of x, was K into Q into X upon a square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. Okay, we can derive this formula as per the requirement. Okay, we can replace cos theta, we can replace r. Fine. Now what you have to do? Now you have to do this dE by dx is equal to 0. But sir, dE by dx means d by dx of E. What is E? Sir, E is k into q into x upon a square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. Sir, we are not going to evaluate this derivation at the time of exam. Yes, I am also not recommending you to do this derivation at the time of exam. So we will remember this answer. We will remember this as a result. Okay. So after solving this, what comes out is this. That's it. So at x is equal to a by root 2. At x is equal to a by root 2, we have E max. We have maximum electric field. That's it. Interpretation of this graph is complete. Reply me in the chat box, clear and written. Write it down. As of fun, you can do this derivative. Only maths people, okay? Only maths people. That to be done only when the chapter derivative is taught, not now, okay? Not now. As a fun, we can do it, okay? Definitely no one is going to ask you to derive this, okay, in the physics. Definitely it is not going to be asked. But let us remember the result. So at x is equal to a by 2, field is maximum. What is A? A is the radius of the loop or the ring. They may call it as loop or ring, okay, fine. Everyone, reply me in the chat box. Up to this point, is that clear or not? We have to rejoin. बोला बाळांनो, आतापर्यंत सगळं समजलं का? Everyone, expecting reply from everyone. Write it down, understand it, reply me. Good, very good. मजा येणार आहे तुम्हाला आता, कारण हळूहळू तुमचं आता डोकं तर इम्प्रूव्ह झालेलं आहे. ओके, युअर ब्रेन हॅज डेफिनेटली इम्प्रूव्ड. ओके, ओव्हर द टाइम. Sir, okay. Now we extend the same graph for negative values of x. Ultimately x is distance. Yes sir, x is distance, but sir, if the ring is positively charged, for this side electric field is going to be rightward. Yes, it is going to be rightward, away from the positive charge. But on this side of the ring, it is again going to be away from the positive charge. Our system is positively charged. Now electric field is a vector. We are plotting the electric field. So let us respect the electric field as a vector and let us take this direction of electric field as positive. So plot the positive values of electric field and let us take this value of electric field as negative and let us plot these values of electric field as negative values. But sir, ultimately the nature of the graph should remain same. Only what we have to do, only we have to assign the negative direction, that is negative direction, or this left hand side direction, that is negative sign. Positive direction plus I cap, just ignore the I cap, write it as plus. Negative direction minus I cap. So retaining the nature of the graph, just repeat the graph. Reply me in the chat box, clear and written. I just extended the same graph. For this side we have drawn the graph with electric field values as positive values. Here the direction of electric field again away from your system. Right side direction positive, left side direction should be negative. So negative direction, let us respect electric field as a vector and plot it as negative values. Tell me. Done? बोला बाळांनो. Clear, small c? Why I kept the nature same? Same x are going to repeat here. Nature of the graph will remain same, but only the direction of electric field away from the positive. In this region it is going to be rightward, in this region it is going to be leftward. Is that clear? Yes, okay, fine, fine. So this will complete the analysis of electric field due to the charged ring. Okay, sir. Now we can very easily solve the questions based on electric field due to the charge ring. Fine. Now there are various systems: point charge, line charge, ring charge, semicircle. Okay, there are various systems for which we can derive the formulae, but deriving all formulae is not a feasible task. Okay, that is a very time consuming task. So generally what people do, they make a chart of the formulae, they just remember it, just like the moment of inertia formulae. Okay, just like moment of inertia formulae. Most of the moment of inertia formulae we will not be deriving, we will be remembering those formulae and we will be using that. Okay, just like that there are electric field formulae that we are going to remember. Okay, sir, fine. And these are very easy to remember. Okay, with application of those formulae you will remember them very easily. Okay, just like v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus r at square. You know what are these equations, you already remember these equations, you know how to use these equations. Similar to that for given system, if it is a point charge, if it is a line charge, if it is a ring, if it is a semicircle, and so on. Okay, we will club down the formula of electric field. Okay, so write down electric field, next formula, next point, electric field, electric field at a point, electric field at a point on the axis of